How's it going, guys? I'm making this video about the General Electric dryer model number DCVH480EK0WW. The problem that the people who had purchased this dryer was having was that the drum wouldn't turn when they were trying to dry their clothes. Um, so obviously the first thing that's going to come to our mind is that either the belt is broken or that there's an issue with the motor. I was able to get the dryer for free. The dryer was manufactured in 2017. The customer had just bought the dryer brand new, and they got in contact with GE. GE sent over a General Electric certified technician to try to figure out what the problem was. And whoever the guy was, they went to the people's house. He couldn't figure out the problem. So the people that purchased the dryer were able to get a full refund from General Electric since they had just purchased it. They got a full refund and they were giving the dryer away for free. All right. So what I did was I verified that the belt was attached to the motor and the idler pulley. I disconnected the belt from the idler pulley and propped up the pulley, put the dryer on airflow, started it up to verify that the motor ran. And yes, the motor did run. But when I put the belt back on the idler pulley and hit start, the drum was turning extremely slow, and then it would, the drum, like the people said, the drum wouldn't turn. Come to find out, okay, so I took the belt back off, applied some moly grease to the idler pulley wheel, the shaft on the idler pulley, just lubricated it with moly elp grease. And sure enough, that solved the problem. Now, the idler pulley, the idler bracket assembly part number is WE01X10271. And apparently, General Electric, whoever does their assembly, maybe it was just this one, or maybe it's just maybe all of them are doing this, but they did not put any type of lubrication on the idler bracket assembly, and the wheel wouldn't turn because you have metal on metal. Now, these dryers are currently being sold for like $899 at Sears, and I was able to get it free and just put some moly grease on the idler assembly bracket, the wheel and the shaft, and it solved the problem. And just in case you guys ever come across this problem, especially the guy who went to those people's home who is certified by General Electric, I don't know how he missed that, but it's just amazing the type of people who are qualified to go into somebody's house and get paid for a diagnosis, and they can't solve the problem. It must be nice. But anyway, like I said, I was able to get this $899 retail electric dryer for free. And a lot of people complain and say that trickle down economics doesn't work, and that kind of stuff. Only thing I can say is that it works for me. I love trickle down economics. I love rich people because they will give away stuff free after they hit a certain point, and then you can take that item and make money off of it. And like I said, the model number on the dryer is DCVH480EK0WW, and just a little moly grease solved the problem. You guys have a nice day. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.